3 meters. That's all the space we had to work with. But what if I told you we fit 2 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a carport, and even a roof deck, all in a home that feels open, bright, and surprisingly spacious? In this video, we're taking you inside our latest design challenge, a super slim townhouse packed with smart space-saving solutions and hidden design tricks you won't want to miss. Each unit is just 3 meters wide, but we didn't let that stop us. The layout follows a split-level design with the stairs right in the middle. That central staircase, it's not just for moving up and down. It doubles as the home's main light and ventilation shaft, bringing brightness and airflow to every level. As you enter, there's a powder room tucked neatly under the stairs and a shoe cabinet built right beside it, keeping everything organized from the moment you step in. Up a few steps, we had the kitchen and dining zone. A skylight above the kitchen brings in natural light, so making the space feel larger and more inviting. At the far end, we've got a peninsula kitchen, and right across from it, a built-in booth that seats 4 comfortably. And because this level opens to the stairwell, air flows freely, keeping everything fresh even on a hot day. Head up another level and you're in the living room. It opens up to a small balcony with a planter box, great for adding greenery and just chilling outside. Now, instead of a solid wall, we used privacy blocks to divide the living space from the stairs. That way you still get light and airflow, but with a little visual separation. We also added a TV console with shelves, fluted wall panels for texture, and even a ledge behind the sofa for extra storage. Across from the living room is the first bedroom. It's got a double-deck bed, ample cabinet space, an ensuite bathroom, and access to a light well for, more daylight and air. Now let's head to the top floor, the master bedroom. We went with a floor-to-ceiling glass window here to flood the room with natural light. It fits a queen bed, a full wardrobe, and of course, it comes with its own ensuite bathroom. Opposite the master bedroom is your roof deck. It's a flexible space, great for doing laundry, starting a small garden, or just hanging out with friends over a barbecue. So yes, it's just 3 meters wide, but with smart design, vertical space, and a few bold ideas, this townhouse lives large. If you like this design or got inspired by our layout tricks, give us a like and don't forget to subscribe for more space-smart designs. Thanks for watching, and remember, small doesn't mean limited. It just means you've got to design smarter.